Hi, I'm Corrine Rojo, and this is Know Your Rights training on hostile work environment. What exactly is hostile work environment? A hostile work environment is not simple teasing, offhand comments, or isolated incidents that are not extremely serious. A hostile work environment is related to harassment and only applies to protected classes. Let's look at the case of Oncale versus Sundowner Offshore Services Incorporated, where the Supreme Court determined the following. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 is not a general civility code and doesn't prevent simple teasing, offhand comments, or isolated incidents which are not extremely serious. The conduct must be so offensive as to alter the conditions of the individual's employment. The conditions of employment are altered only if the harassment culminates in a tangible employment action or is sufficiently severe or pervasive. The victim must belong to a protected class, race, color, religion, sex, or national origin, as listed in Title VII of the Civil Rights Act 1964. Oncale versus Sundowner Offshore Services Incorporated was the first Supreme Court ruling which addressed same-sex sexual harassment. What about bullying? There really are no laws in California against bullying in the workplace. Therefore, bullying is not illegal unless it is beyond simple teasing, offhand comments, etc. And then it would fall under hostile work environment, but only if it meets the standards noted on the previous screen. Bullying is usually not addressed in MOU/CBA contracts or is often not grievable, but most agencies have policies, rules, and regulations that specify personnel behavior expectations. Talk to your steward or internal work organizer to determine if there is anything which can be done to stop this type of behavior. Do I forfeit unemployment benefits if I quit due to a hostile work environment? To qualify for unemployment, you must be out of work through no fault of your own. If you quit your job voluntarily, without good cause, you won't be eligible for unemployment benefits. However, if you are forced out or have good cause to quit, you may still be eligible for benefits depending on the circumstances. In California, an employee who quits for a substantial and compelling reason, whether work-related or personal, may be eligible for benefits. An employee who wants to collect unemployment after quitting must show that he or she took steps to try to resolve the problem and preserve the relationship prior to leaving the job. For a workplace problem, the employee must bring the problem to the employer's attention and give the employer an opportunity to fix it. That's it for hostile work environment. When you're ready, take the quiz below.